Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about how do notes work on Instagram. So let's start. Okay, now first up here, let's open up Instagram. Now tap on your profile icon on the lower right corner. Now here, tap on your messages on the upper right corner. And you notice that on top of your profile picture, there is a plus and it says leave a note. Now, if you want to leave a note, you can tap on this plus here and write your note. So, say for example, I will just say here, hi guys, and you can choose, and here you can share it with the followers who you follow back, or you can also choose specific people. Now for this example, I will just leave it as is and tap on share. Now here it says hi guys. So if your friends also have notes, for example this one, you can tap on the note, and if you know something about their note, you can type your message here to answer the note or to communicate with that particular user. So that's how notes work on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.